Gates open, they're up and racing. Street bump draws for your lead. Speed Sense moving up by the rail, then on the outside moving up is entry number 3, and rather by the rail is Red Ransom. Heading towards the 1,000 meter mark. Now we have Red Ransom takes command, followed by Speed Sense, Priyanka. Then running by the rail, Stand By Your Man. Street bump drops back in Peep Hadjok, followed by Bohemian Dave, GI Speedball, and Paring Hilton is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. We have two runners fighting it out for the lead. We have Speed Sense from the outside by a neck. Running by the rail is Red Ransom. Running in third, moving up is Street Bump. Then comes Priyanka in fourth, is Stand By Your Man, and Bohemian Dave. As they turn to the final 450, is Speed Sense now by a half length. Running by the rail, Red Ransom, is Street Bump is on the outside, closing in with the last 200 meters more to run. Red Ransom regains the lead from Speed Sense. Street Bump remains in third with the last 100 meters more to run, and going to the wire, we have the top favorite, Red Ransom by 2 over Speed Sense, and finally Red Ransom, second Street Bump. Then comes Speed Sense, GI Speedball, Bohemian Dave, Priyanka, number 2, Paring Hilton, Stand By Your Man, and Hadjok comes in last.